package just arrived. Can you guess which phone is inside? All right, let's flip it around. Some of you probably already figured it out. Let's open it up. Lifting the lid, wow, it's Red Magic's newest phone. Yes, this is the brand new Red Magic 11 Air. It just launched, and we managed to get our hands on it right away. You can tell immediately that this box is different from the regular Pro version. Compared to earlier Pro models, this one clearly carries the Air branding, and there's also a Snapdragon logo printed here. The unit we have is the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage version in Quantum Black. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Opening the box, you're greeted by the familiar Red Magic logo. Inside, you'll find a protective case along with the SIM ejector tool. The case is the same style we've seen on the Red Magic 11 Pro, a hard, textured shell that resists yellowing. There's also a full coverage case included. Taking everything out, we also get the charging kit, which includes a 120-watt fast charger and a 20-volt 6-AT USB-C to USB-C cable. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. It's wrapped in eco-friendly paper instead of plastic film. You don't even need to tear it open, just push gently and slide the phone out. First impression, it looks really good. The overall design is quite appealing. After removing the sticker, you can see the transparent back panel with a strong gaming-inspired design. There are visible lines and textures underneath, and the transparency is very obvious. The glass around the edges of the back panel has a slight curve, and since it's not a completely flat glass slab, it feels more comfortable in the hand. In the center, there's a circular area with the Red Magic logo. This ring is decorative, not the fan itself. The cooling fan isn't that large, but you can see where it's located. This opening here is the fan's air outlet. The 4 raised sections on the back might look like a quad camera setup at first glance, but they're not. There's one main rear camera along with a square decorative element. This raised section here is actually the air intake for the fan, and the side also has a vent. This is the first phone in the Red Magic Air series to feature an active cooling fan. Below that circular element is the flash. The overall look screams gaming. The metal frame, power button, and volume keys all have a squared-off, rugged feel. You still get the dedicated gaming shoulder triggers as well. On the top, there's an infrared blaster and a microphone opening. The left side houses a shortcut button, and the bottom keeps things clean and simple with the usual ports and cutouts. Flip to the front, and you're greeted by a completely uninterrupted display, no punch hole at all, keeping that true full-screen experience. The phone measures 7.85 millimeters in thickness and weighs 207 grams. Let's power it on and go through the setup. All right, everything's ready. We're back to the familiar Red Magic interface. The Red Magic 11 Air prompts us to complete a task, but since we've seen this plenty of times before, we'll just skip it. Now we're fully inside the system of the Red Magic 11 Air. That wraps up our first look at the design and exterior of the Red Magic 11 Air. We'll be testing its performance and battery life very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that.